Today, we're diving into a powerful new weapon against cancer, and it's all about supercharging our own cells.
So, here's the big question. How do we teach our immune system to actually fight something like cancer? Well, it's all about T cells. They're our body's elite soldiers, but they need a really strong wake-up call.
Scientists have an amazing immune booster called NVT. The only problem? It's super fragile and gets destroyed easily. The solution? Wrap it in a protective bubble using microscopic delivery drones called lipid nanoparticles, or LNPs.
But making these tiny, perfect bubbles isn't easy. You need some seriously incredible technology.
And that's where this specialized tool from the team at PreciGenome comes right into the picture. For this study, the researchers used the NanoGenerator FlexM to engineer the precise LNPs they needed. So here's how it works. It mixes lipids and the NVT vaccine cargo at super high speeds. But here's where it got really interesting. The team discovered that not all LNPs are created equal. One type, DOTAPE, looked great in the lab, but inside a living body, SM102 was the clear winner. The science showed that the SM102 formula was way better at firing up the immune system where it counts. So they had the secret recipe, but the ultimate test was, could it actually fight the disease? The results were just dramatic. This new combination triggered a massive response from T cells. And just look at this. The vaccine caused significant tumor shrinkage in mice. Absolutely incredible. In one model, a full 60% of the mice who got the therapeutic vaccine completely responded and survived. And it wasn't just about cancer. This platform also proved really effective against a chronic viral infection. So what does this all mean? Well, this gives us a powerful new playbook for the next generation of vaccines. This research really brings us one step closer to personalized vaccines that could beat our toughest diseases.